An air fryer that burns your food, breaks in months, or takes up half your counter is a waste of money and space. The right air fryer delivers crispy, golden results with almost no oil, cooks faster than your oven, and cleans up in seconds. These 5 best sellers cover every household from singles to large families, and one of them is the perfect compact pick. Let's get into it. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus is the family-sized all-rounder, the 6-quart air fryer that delivers crispy golden results with 95% less oil than traditional deep frying. The 6-in-1 functionality covers air frying, baking, roasting, broiling, dehydrating, and reheating, replacing multiple countertop appliances with one sleek unit. The Even Crisp technology circulates super hot air evenly around your food, locking in moisture while creating that perfect crunchy exterior that makes air fryers so popular. The intuitive touchscreen controls and one-touch settings make cooking everything from chicken wings to cinnamon buns ridiculously easy, while the adjustable temperature ranges from 95 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The 6-quart capacity handles up to 6 portions, making it ideal for families, meal prep, or feeding a crowd. The non-stick basket and tray are dishwasher safe for effortless cleanup. For families who want a versatile, large-capacity air fryer that handles everything from snacks to main courses, the Instant Pot Vortex Plus is the family-sized pick that delivers consistent results every time. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus delivers family-sized capacity with 6 cooking functions. And the price in the description makes it the smartest large air fryer pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Crispy results, family-sized. The Ninja Air Fryer is the versatile speedster. The 4-quart air fryer that cooks meals quickly without preheating, with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods. The wide temperature range from 105 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit lets you gently dehydrate foods or quickly crisp them with convection heat. The 4-quart capacity fits up to 2 pounds of French fries, making it perfect for couples or small families. The ceramic-coated non-stick basket and crisper plate are dishwasher safe for effortless cleanup. The versatile functions include air frying, roasting, reheating, and dehydrating, making it your go-to appliance for any meal or snack. The even air circulation ensures crispy, golden finishes every time, and the included recipe booklet helps you get started immediately. For couples, small families, and anyone who wants a fast, versatile air fryer that doesn't take over the counter, the Ninja Air Fryer is the compact pick that delivers big results. The Ninja Air Fryer delivers versatile cooking with up to 75% less fat, and the deal in the description makes it the smartest compact pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Quick meals, crispy results. The Instant Pot Vortex plus ClearCook is the visual upgrade pick, the 6-quart air fryer that adds a ClearCook window and internal light so you can monitor your food without opening the basket. The 6-in-1 functionality covers air frying, baking, roasting, broiling, dehydrating, and reheating, with 6 customizable presets that store your go-to recipe settings for even quicker cooking. The Even Crisp technology delivers that perfect crunch with 95% less oil than deep frying, while the ClearCook window lets you check progress at a glance. The 6-quart capacity handles up to 6 portions, perfect for family meals or meal prep, and the dishwasher safe baskets and trays make cleanup a breeze. The intuitive touchscreen controls show each cooking stage at a glance, and the adjustable temperature ranges from 95 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. For home cooks who want to see their food as it cooks without losing heat, the Instant Pot Vortex plus ClearCook is the visual pick that adds convenience to performance. The Instant Pot Vortex plus ClearCook lets you monitor your food without opening the basket, and the price in the description reflects that visual upgrade. Check the link below and grab it today. See your food, perfect your results. The Cosori Air Fryer Pro LE is the beginner-friendly value king. The 5-quart air fryer that combines an industry-leading maximum temperature of 450 degrees Fahrenheit with quiet operation under 55 decibels. The 9 professional presets for chicken fries, steak, seafood, veggies, and bacon make cooking effortless, while the advanced air circulation technology locks in moisture for juicy interiors and perfectly golden exteriors. The 5-quart capacity serves 2 to 3 portions, making it ideal for small families and apartments, while the compact design saves counter space. The detachable dishwasher-safe basket and crisper plate make cleanup quick and easy, and the included chef-inspired recipe book helps you get started immediately. The touchscreen controls are intuitive for beginners, and the over 100 in-app recipes with nutrition facts help you manage your diet. For first-time air fryer buyers, small families, and anyone who wants quiet, fast cooking with beginner-friendly presets, the Cosori Air Fryer Pro LE is the value pick that makes air frying accessible. The Cosori Air Fryer Pro LE delivers quiet, beginner-friendly cooking at a budget price, and the deal in the description makes it the smartest starter pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Effortless air frying, accessible price. Closing out the list with the Instant Pot Vortex Mini, the compact power pick that proves good things come in small packages, delivering crispy, evenly cooked food faster than larger models. The 2-quart basket with a wide square surface area reduces crowding and allows for better airflow, creating even crispness on everything from fries to wings. The 4-in-1 functionality covers air frying, roasting, baking, and reheating, with 4 customizable programs for one-touch cooking. The Even Crisp technology circulates super hot air around your food to cook evenly and lock in moisture, delivering that delicious, crispy, golden finish with 95% less oil than deep frying. The flip reminder function alerts you partway through cooking for even results. The compact, countertop-friendly design fits in any size kitchen. And the dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup effortless. For singles, students, dorm dwellers, and anyone who wants perfectly crispy snacks and sides without taking over the counter, the Instant Pot Vortex Mini is the compact pick that delivers big flavor. The Instant Pot Vortex Mini delivers big flavor in a compact package, and the deal in the description makes it the perfect small space pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Perfect snacks, tiny footprint. Before we wrap, if this breakdown just helped you find the right air fryer for your kitchen, tap that subscribe button right now. 1 second of your time keeps us making honest, in-depth reviews every single week. Every subscriber genuinely matters to us. All 5 links are in the description. Go check pricing because air fryer deals move fast. If this helped you find the perfect air fryer, smash that like button and subscribe for honest reviews every week. See you in the next one.